uyisusa labantu abakhinsipho. I-BCB chemical awukwazi ukuyisusa mesisingenile engubeni. Ngalo ndlela i-under yakho, because it is twin layers and i-thick lapha, it carrying lot of those traces of chemical compound called PCB chemical. Leya chemical leyana yebo salwazi kubantu besilisa it more like ukuthi yenza into esibiza ukuthi ozoospermia or ozoospermia depending ukuthi ubiza kanjani. Ukushoda kwama sperms, defecting of ama sperms, thola ama sperms umuntu anamakhanda u2 or anemsile u2 yabo, because leya chemical leyana is too close to home kubantu besilisa. Thereafter siyacela ukuthi abantu besilisa ake nigqoka ama trunk niphume kuphela kulento ngoba size sibe nenkinga nje yo prostate enlargement nani nongabathola abantwana, it because of the chemical leyana. Comes to eye pencil, there's an eye pencil and there's an eyeliner. Those are not the same thing. Come to eye pencil. Eye pencil has a chemical compound called chromium. Ake lana ke isede ngizoyisho kodwa funa ngisho ababaningi abantu abasenza. Uyabona amakhandlela la kade wakhayisile, umusu siwacishile funa wafaka kuplastic wabophe ngeplastic wabekela, because as long lapha kuwena they produce a chemical compound called vanadium. Igiza logeza ngayo njoba ishisisela amanzi in a thermostat, it produces a chemical compound called within lamanzi ogeza ngawo igiza anento esibiza ukuthi vanadium. I-vanadium siyithola kakhulu kwi-gas lesipheka ngayo. It's a pollution. We should not have something like that. Lena ke ngihleze ngisho babudokotela akayifaka iring. Babudokotela akayifaka iring. Babudokotela akalifaka izinyo legolide. Babudokotela alifaka anginayo insimbi mina. Literal anginayo insimbi noma kuphi. Insimbi nje anginayo. Into eyenzekalo kubantu abafaka insimbi, they more likely to have iBP ephezulu kuhamba kwesikhathi. Because of nickel at deposit. Kubantu besilisa ke iringi ifaka leya deposit leya nickel iya break down into chemical compound emisingena ama nanoparticles akhona. There's a chemical compound called nickel. Low nickel ke even your mirrors must not have a stainless steel or a steel frame must be. Frame must be limited just to hold the glasses, otherwise ingahlali la because of that chemical compound. Lena ke ngizoyisho kodwa angeke nginitshele konke khona okunye kuzonithu